Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix when your Marshal minor free are not charging and what you can do about it. So how it works and what you can do is that if they're not charging, and let's say like only one earbud is charging, the second is not, you want to perform a factory reset. So you're gonna open them like this. Let's say I'm going to just put them back in. And now close it, open it, and what you want to do is hold the power button or like the button near the charging port for about 15 to 20 seconds. And what is going to happen, the blue light is going to blink and then it's going to change to red one. So you just want to hold it, and then it's going to change to red. See? So now you know that it's being factory resetted, the whole Marshal minor free, and you just wait at least a little while, and then you can close it. So let me down below in the comments if it actually helped you. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and goodbye.